Hi, this is James with the 1HourSmartHome.com, and today we're going to show you how to change the batteries on your Nest temperature sensor. So this is just the standard Nest temperature sensor, Nest room sensor that works with either the Nest E or Nest Generation 3 thermostat. And all you need to do to change the battery is have a coin or a screwdriver nearby, the temperature sensor, take it off the wall, which you can do so just by sliding it up off of the screw. You can see that little slot there. Or just grab it and you can then use the coin to turn counterclockwise in this little latch here. And it might be in there pretty tight, okay? And we just keep turning until we get this loose. So it is important to note that these batteries, they go dead after a couple years, so you might have to change one, I don't know, after 2-3 years. Some people say that they can last longer. Okay, so I think I've got it loose there. You kind of need to tilt up because there is a little ledge on the edge there. You can see that. Tilt up to pry this thing off, and it comes off pretty easy then. So once you've got this out, you can see here is the battery compartment. Here is the battery. This is a CR2 battery. We'll try and get it zoomed in a little bit better there. And it is a 3-volt lithium battery. That's what you should get. We'll put a link to what battery you should use below that you can find these on Amazon. That's probably the easiest way to get it. But you need to use lithium batteries for these. All you do then is just pop this out like so. And you can pop a new battery back in. Okay? Very easy. Pop out, pop in, and now you just put this back on, and obviously you need to line up this screw with the hole there, but also you need to get the latch in there. There's a little indentation. You can kind of see where that arrow is. So put that side in first. Now we are going to go clockwise to tighten this up. And there you have it. That is the Nest temperature sensor, and that is how you change the battery on the Nest Thermostat temperature battery sensor. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. We've got all kinds of great smart home stuff for you. Thank you for watching.